Hey there, Ken here. Be sure to check us out on Snack TV.
They know that, Ken.
Hey Karen and Ken, show me a recipe.
Sure thing.
He asked me first.
Hey guys, welcome back.
They never left, Ken.
The alkaline diet is quite healthy, encouraging a high intake of fruits, vegetables, and healthy plant foods while restricting processed junk foods.
Tell me something I don't know, Ken.
It's not always about you, Karen. For vitamins and nutrients, one serving of butternut squash is packed with more than 100% of your daily requirement of vitamin A. Quinoa is nutrient-rich
And has significant health benefits. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free.
I was going to say that, Karen.
You were not going to say it right like me, Ken.
Well guys, I like it.
I'm glad you like my choice.
Correction, our choice.
Let's just watch the video, Ken. Stop looking at her.
What?
Snack TV. Be creative. Be snacktastically creative.